What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Brandon. Welcome back to Crayton TV. In today's video, I'm doing a video on my 2019 iPad Pro of what's on my iPad Pro, my favorite apps that I like to use. So if you're new here, like this video up, subscribe if you're new. Right there, it's free to do. Hit that little subscribe button, but let's get to it.
Ever since I came into the game, I've been going harder in the paint.
But here we go. Check this out. So you see, I got the iPad 11 inch right here. Here's the date, today's date, Apple Pencil, everything. I do have iOS 13.2 installed. Here's my widgets that I like to keep on the side. And we're coming up on 600 subscribers right now. It says 562. So the apps that's on here, you got the bottom, you got FaceTime. I don't FaceTime on my iPad at all. Got contacts, Gmail, check Gmails all the time, files. I rarely use, the first page, not that many pages, so this video won't be too long for you guys, but I just want to show you guys what I got. So you got the messages, I don't use that. Got calendar, calendars I use. I love that dark mode, you feel me? Got the photos app, camera, Apple TV, can't wait till November 1st so I can get my subscription first. So November 1st, you purchase a new iPad, MacBook, or iPhone, whatever, you get Apple TV for 1 year for free. And Apple said that. So if you don't believe me, go watch the keynote that they did have when they brought out the iPhone 11 and 11 Pro Max. But we got YouTube. I'm always on YouTube. That's one of my favorite apps right there. The maps, I like the dark mode and that. Google, I do use Google, the Google app just to search some things. Sometimes notes. You never know when you have to jot down a note. iTunes Store, I don't use that. App Store, you have to update your apps and everything. Settings, keep your phone and everything. Safari, I do use. The Home app, I have nothing in my home right now that's connected to the Home app, so I don't really use that. I think it's basically set real simple. Got Crayton TV on the back. Subscribe if you haven't already. Check out this extras, folders. This is extra stuff that you see in there. Tips, podcasts, clock, books, photo booth. I don't use none of that stuff in there. Let's go to the business folder. I do use this folder. So we got the Nike Sneakers app. You got AMC theaters, you might want to go to the movies and them. Best Buy, I'm always shopping on Best Buy. Walmart, Target, trying to find the best deals. Do got the Amazon app. That's where I find most of my stuff. So if you haven't wanted to check out my equipment or anything, if you haven't seen my last unboxing video of my gaming setup, check the links down below. That's where I get all my stuff. Equipment will be under the section that says my equipment, but all that stuff is down there, linked below. Little Amazon affiliated links. Anything you see does help me out and help out the channel. So want to purchase anything or want to know anything, or got questions about stuff that I have reviewed in the past, just leave a comment down below and I'll answer that for you. Little House, that's the app where you can, I get ideas from designing, how I want my room, gaming setup and everything. Groupon, we gotta have WWE, you feel me? Starbucks, AAA, Credit Karma, Auto Club. Let's go to the next folder. Now this Google folder, it's called Google, I don't know why, but probably because a lot of Google apps are in it. But this folder right here, I do use everything like Google Chrome, Google Photos. Google Photos is a real good app. This video is not sponsored by none of this. No brand, no companies is paying me to say this, but Google Photos, if you ever want to leave up space on your phone or whatever, or iPad, whatever you're using, use Google Photos. You can back it up and you can delete the originals from your phone after you back it up on Google Photos. Then you tap them. If you want to see a video on that, how you can get your space back and everything, just leave a comment down below. But we got YouTube Studio, we got Social Blade, Live Count Social Blade, you got YouTube Count, Apple Store, love going there. Apple Store support, Google Authenticator, that's a good app too. Google Home, we got Canva, how you make your thumbnails, iMovie, QuickTime, Dropbox, Keynote, Pages, Photoshop, IntroMate, that's how I be making my intros, Lightroom, LumaFusion, how I be editing my videos, LumaFusion 2.0 when I used to edit on iPad Pro, still do that, and I edit on a MacBook with Final Cut. So pick sticks. Next one, we got music, you see the basic music apps. Games, I do play games, we play a little, Heart of Vegas, a little gambling, got the PlayStation app, got GameStop, just in case you want to get some new stuff. Twitch, I'm always on Twitch. Check the links in the description and follow my Twitch because I'm coming back to the live streams. Follow me on all my social medias. Fortnite, every everybody's playing Fortnite. If you want some Fortnite highlights and gameplays to come back, follow me on Twitch. Because mobile gameplays and PS4 gameplays and a little bit PC gameplays will be coming on the live stream. So follow me now, Crayton TV. Subscribe to my channel if you don't want to be part of this and you say you're an OG. You got Streamlabs, Spark Camera, Discord, Stream Deck, Mario Kart. That game is fun. Stay tuned for a video coming up on that Mario Kart. Call of Duty Mobile. I'll be killing people in there. So this is powered by Verizon, so I got my Verizon apps, banking, Nest, that powered my AC, and then I got Kindle and Chafee College. And pretty much that's really everything that's on my MacBook. 2019 is my favorite apps. Stay tuned for another video when I show you what's on my iPhone 11 Pro Max and what's on my 2019 MacBook Pro. Stay tuned for that video coming up. I'll see you guys in another video. I have an unboxing video coming up. Go watch my last video when I did the gaming setup. Check the description box if you want to see all the stuff and my equipment that I use, green screen, lights, and all that other stuff. Check the description box below. But other than that, leave a comment down below if anything you want to see, any other videos. Follow me on all my social medias. That's also in the description box down below. So follow me down there. Hope you did enjoy this video. Like, comment, subscribe. Subscribe if you're new. 600 subscribers. We're on our way. Let's get it, bruh. But other than that, this is your boy Brandon coming to you from Crayton TV. God bless everybody, and I hope you guys have a blessed day. Peace.